English Kazakh past possession. I had.
Менде болды.
Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Ch.6 Lingo, your pocket coach for languages. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com and let's have some fun learning Kazakh, do style friendly. Today you'll master the past possession pattern, how to say things like I had, you had, and more, in English and Kazakh, with quick laughs and easy drills. Your goal today. Say each form confidently out loud after me. You've got this. I had.
Менде болды.
You had, singular.
Сенде болды.
He had.
Оның бар еді.
She had.
Оның бар еді.
It had.
Онда бар еді.
We had.
Бізде болды.
You had, plural.
Сендерде болды.
They had.
Оларда болды.
Mini dialogues. Listen and echo the Kazakh line with the Latin helper. A. Did you bring the charger yesterday? B. Yes, I had it.
Менде болды.
A. Who kept the tickets? B. You had them.
Сенде болды.
A. Did he have the spare key? B. He had it.
Оның бар еді.
A. Before the meeting, did she have the documents? B. She had them.
Оның бар еді.
A. Did the box include a manual? B. It had one.
Онда бар еді.
A. Do we have matches? B. Yesterday we had them.
Бізде болды.
A. At noon, were your group's bags ready? B. Yes, you, plural, had everything.
Сендерде болды.
A. Did the team have a plan? B. They had it.
Оларда болды.
Pattern spotlight. Here's the secret sauce. At X plus B, past, equals, X had. I had. At me was.
Менде болды.
You had, SG.
Сенде болды.
He, she had uses, bar Eddie, there is plus was.
Оның бар еді.
It had.
Онда бар еді.
At it there was. We had.
Бізде болды.
You, place, had.
Сендерде болды.
They had.
Оларда болды.
Tip. Don't translate have as a direct verb. Use these possession structures. Call and response drill. IQ in English, you shout the Kazakh. Ready? I had a ticket, say.
Менде болды.
You had the keys, singular you.
Сенде болды.
He had time.
Оның бар еді.
She had a plan.
Оның бар еді.
It had many windows.
Онда бар еді.
We had snacks.
Бізде болды.
You had the map, plural.
Сендерде болды.
They had answers.
Оларда болды.
Laugh break. A tiny joke to lock it in. Smile equals better memory. I opened my fridge. It whispered, relax, it had leftovers.
Онда бар еді.
Until midnight snacks happened. Culture tip. A quick insight to sound natural. Kazakh often expresses possession with location-like phrases. Think at me, you, us plus, was for the past. That's why we had, is.
Бізде болды.
And he, she had often uses.
Оның бар еді.
Literally, there was with him, her. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll reveal after a pause. Q1. Translate, you had, singular. A.
Сенде болды.
Q2. Translate, they had. A.
Оларда болды.
Q3. Translate, it had. A.
Онда бар еді.
Q4. Translate, we had. A.
Бізде болды.
Q5. Translate, she had. A.
Оның бар еді.
Final challenge. Speed round. Say all 8 in order after me. I had.
Менде болды.
You had, SG.
Сенде болды.
He had.
Оның бар еді.
She had.
Оның бар еді.
It had.
Онда бар еді.
We had.
Бізде болды.
You had, place.
Сендерде болды.
They had.
Оларда болды.
Outro. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these phrases in daily mini-stories and revisit drills anytime. For more lessons, freebies, and games, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.